Hello, assalamu alaikum, all viewer and dear student. Today we have a new tricky question for you. How we can calculate the value of m and n when m and r belongs to positive integers. So m n plus 8n minus 8m minus 3n is equal to 59, and m and n belongs to positive integers. So how we can calculate the value of m and n? So dear students, in this type of question, so we should think about m, and here if we check in here taking common m, so we get in here m n plus 8 is remaining. It means that, so and here we can also taking is required is one of the factor n plus 8. So and here we can multiply by 8, and also so we can look here 3n minus and 8 and 3, and also this term minus 24, so we can add this term, we get 24, and also to the right side 59. So they are, if we check this term, so if we check 3 is taking common minus 3 is taking common from this pair, we will get plus n plus 8. So m n plus 8 minus 3 if we take common, so and here n plus 8 is remaining plus 24. If 24 plus 24 is transferred to the right side, so their symbol is also changed, 59 minus 24. Now we take common one of the factor n plus 8 into m minus 3 is equal to, so we subtract this result, 9 minus 4 we get 5, and 5 minus 3 we get 35. Now it means that here there are the possibilities of these factors, so we can write 1 multiplied by 35 and 5 multiplied by 7, and similarly 7 multiplied by 5, this term is 7. So these are the possibilities if we think. So there are three cases if we take in here, but a plus b must be greater than a plus b. The condition is in here a plus b must be greater than in here a minus b. So and here is, this is considered a plus b and this is considered a minus b. It means that we get in here 35 is greater than 1. So and here we can simplify this, the case number first, n plus 8 into m minus 3 is equal to 35 multiplied by 1. So m plus 8 is equal to 35 and m minus 3 is equal to 1. So this will be compared with this one, and m minus 3 is considered to 1. So we calculate this one, n plus 8 is equal to 35. So we transfer this result, n is equal to 35 minus 8. So n is equal to, we get 27. 27 is one of the answer, and secondly we get m minus 3, and second m minus 3 is equal to 1. So m is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. The second answer we get in here, that is the value of m is equal to 4. Now we are proceeding for the second case, 5 multiplied by 7. A plus, here is m n plus 8, n plus 8 and m minus 3 is equal to, and here is 5 multiplied by 7, but 5 is less than from 7, so according to the condition we are using in here n plus, if we consider in here n plus 8 is equal to 5 and m minus 3 is equal to 7. So now look here, we transfer this result 5 minus 8. So we get n is equal to minus 3, but that is not belong to z of positive integers. So this result is neglected. 7 plus 3, this will be 10. So m and n are both are positive integer. So this solution is not exact. Multiply by 5. So now we are comparing. So the first element with the first pair 7, and similarly m minus 3 is considered with the second term. So if we check this result, n is equal to 7 minus 8 is equal to minus 1, that is not belongs to positive integer. So similarly, and m is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So it means that here mean already given that in the question m and n are both of positive integer. So it means that our solution is n to 4 and n is equal to 27 is the solution of this question. If we want to check verification, so if we want to check verification, so in the place of m and n we put in the above equation mn, that is mn plus 8m minus 3n is equal to 59. So we substitute the result, m is equal to 27n plus 8, m is 4 and minus 3, and n is equal to 27 is equal to 59 is the question mark. Get equal to 28, 4 multiplied by 7 28, and 4 multiplied by 2 8 is 10 we get. Similarly, and here we get 32 minus, so we get 81 is equal to 59 is the question mark. Now in case of the mass rules, we case the mass rule, p the mass rules we are using in here first addition. So we add this result, we get 140 minus 81 is question mark is 59. If we subtract this result, so 0 is not subtracted in here, so we can carry from here 10 minus 1 we get 9, and here is 13 minus 8 we get 5, 13, so 8 we get 5 is 59. It means that our solution is correct. M is equal to 4 and n is equal to 27 is our answer. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.